Section 7.1.1 Intro to Recon and Google Dorking Part 4. These examples of Google Dorks are basic queries that are useful for Recon or for a site administrator to use to identify their own vulnerabilities. Number 1 looks like it is canceling itself out, but it is actually reducing the results to exclude the www, which is the web server, so we can identify other servers or subdomains. Number 2, with in_title:_index.of, we'll find any directory listings. This can be a real vulnerability issue as it can provide a map of the website, and often the files or downloads are not restricted when accessed from the directory listing. Number 3, with the search of in_URL:admin panel, is commonly used as the beginning of a longer dork to find the access page of a site. Let's pause from dorks for a minute to learn about the robots.txt file. It is not a Google dork itself, but it is an important item to consider dorking for. Many web admins treat the robots.txt file as if it is private, probably because it is usually read by bots instead of humans. Search engine firms and others send out automated bots that crawl the web to gather information about websites. This is a good use of bots, as they are used to index pages and their contents so they can be included in search results. However, spammers looking for email addresses can use these bots, which is bad. A website may have pages that are not meant to be public, or some websites don't want to be crawled at all. The purpose of the robots.txt file is to inform web bots as to whether they are allowed to index your web pages, and if so, which ones are not allowed. These files let the bots know which files to index and which to leave alone. The robots.txt file has to be open to the public so that bots can refer to it, so there is no expectation of privacy. The disallow. This field is used to identify what files or folders on the website should not be indexed. Administrators should never list sensitive files directly in the robots.txt file. Yes, there is an admin folder for the website, but you do not have to advertise it. When you say, "Don't look there," a lot of people get interested, and bot crawlers don't have to respect the disallow. The web folders should be organized so that admin is several layers down. For example, the path could be changed to subdomain1/documents/admin. Robot.txt is a great tool for Recon, as it often provides a list of files or folders that will not be found while browsing that website. What methods can we use to secure against reconnaissance using web searches like Google Hacking Database? The first step in mitigating against Recon is to spend a lot of time Googling your organization. You need to work as hard at this as the hacker will, which means it will be time intensive, and you will need to schedule it regularly. When you identify information that should not be public or accessible through OSINT, remove it.